Today's lesson will talk about hobbies. More specifically about the theater, the concert and the cinema.
To be or not to be, that is the question.
Are you a theater goer?
I'm a passionate theater fan. I try to watch all the performances that I think are good. I enjoy both tragedies and comedies.
I'm not much of a theater goer. In fact, neither my time nor my money allows me to go to the theater regularly. I prefer watching TV or video films. What plays have you seen recently?
The play I saw last was unfortunately a bad one. I was disappointed because I had expected more from that company.
What was the play?
It was a rather poor adaptation of a famous story.
Where can you buy theater tickets?
I can buy the theater tickets at the booking office.
Where do you prefer to sit?
I like to sit in the boxes because they are quite near the stage.
Who is your favorite actor or actress?
My favorite actress is Meryl Streep. She does very well in every part and can always catch the most important side of a character.
When did you last go to a concert?
I don't often go to concerts, but if I do, it is usually a pop concert.
Who gave the concert?
The pop concert I last went to was given by a well-known English band, the Westlife.
Have you got one or two favorite performers?
Yes, I have. Michael Jackson.
Because this is Thriller.
He was the best singer of all time. He was a talented musician with exceptional voice and unique dance technique.
Hi Tom, how are you today? Do you often go to cinema?
Yes, every Saturday.
What kinds of films can you see? Can you see at the cinema?
I can see science film, travelogue, animated cartoon, action movie, comedy, adventure, romantic, horror, thriller.
Do you prefer dubbed films or subtitles ones?
I don't like films with subtitles. It spoils the view and distracts my attention. An undubbed film is very good for language learning.
Which is the best picture you have seen this year?
The best film I have seen was a thriller screen adaptation of a successful novel entitled The Killer Inside Me. The cast was excellent, with Jessica Alba starring.